Hello everyone, nice to see you again. In this video, we will see how to install Burp Suite. First, what is Burp Suite? Burp Suite is widely used software for web application security testings. This is one of the leading software that is used by ethical hackers and bug bounty hunters to find vulnerability in web applications and also some other. So let's see how to install it. Let's open our browser. The link is in the description. Let's scroll down and here you can see the community edition. It's totally free, or you can use the professional if you are an expert. So let's download it. Here you can see the download the latest version, or if you need an older versions, so you can click here. Let's download it. Here the download has been started, so let's skip it. Here the download has been completed. Let's open it. Here folder where Burp Suite will be installed. Here installation has been completed. Let's click finish. Let's open our Burp Suite. Here Burp Suite has been opened. For community edition, you can only select temporary project. So click next and leave it as use Burp default. These are main tools that used by bug bounty hunters. So here Burp Suite installed. Let's set up it for the browser. Here type Foxy proxy. Here you can see Foxy proxy standards. Here I'm using the Firefox. If you are using the Chrome, it may be some might different for you. And it is the Foxy proxy standard by Eric Hedjan. Click add to Firefox, or if you are using Chrome, you can see install extension or something else. Let's add it. Here you can see the extension. Let's open our Burp Suite. Options. Here you can see the IP address. We need to type it proxy. Click add. Here it is 127.0.0.1 and is 8080, and give a title for this. And here you see that here you see that burp is here. Let's click it. Here to type the IP address 127.0.0.1 and the port address is 8080. And here you see the CA certificate. Let's click it. And we need to save the certificate. Let's open our options. In privacy and security, scroll to the bottom and here you see view certificates. Click it. Here we need to import the certificate that we installed now. So let's click import. Here is our installed certificate. Let's click and open it. And the certificate has been imported successfully. Let's close this all file. Need to search the here we need to search the website which we need to find vulnerabilities. Here I am searching Google. Here you can see the page takes much time to load because the files are processed through the Burp Suite. You can see here you can see the data transfer between the Google and the PC, cookies and secure IDs that transfer between servers. Here you see that while intercept is turned off, the web page is reloaded much faster. While you are not using the boot, you can turn off your Foxy proxy and you can do your own work. So that's it guys. See you in the next video.